Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your online banking account on USAA Bank. If you have already registered for your online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to login is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. And by the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for usaa.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap onto the login option here. And by tapping on it, you'll be directed to the login page for online banking account on USAA Bank. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to get started with the registration process, just go and tap onto the register for access option here. And by the completion of the registration process, you'll be provided with an online ID and set a password that you can log into your account with. So go to online ID text field and enter the ID number. Then enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. In case if you have any problem logging into your account, you can just go and tap onto I need help login on option here. And once you're done entering your login credentials, you can just go and tap onto the next option here. And by tapping on it, you'll have successfully logged into your online banking account on USAA Bank. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account in no time. And this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.